Hey folks, Kai here from Skulkcraft Studio with another quick unboxing video for you. I know it's been a while, so we're gonna jump right into this. This box came from New York and was shipped UPS, so it should be in pretty good shape. It's always interesting to see how other people ship stuff and how stuff turns out. This was shipped on a Monday. Today is a Wednesday, so this has not been in there long. So the shipper just put foam in here to make it a foam box and loose packed the animals, which we don't usually do because various reasons, like them moving around and getting caught on claws, but we'll see. They should still be good. That's a little concerning. There's one. This one's in a lot better shape. This one's still cold. It's still kind of cool. It's nice that they wrapped the feet. That's smart. It's been in the freezer though, so it's a little dry, but that's alright. Alright. This guy fared pretty well. This guy fared really well. With squirrels, the tail is one of the first things we check because if the hair's loose, that's where it's going to start. This guy, not so much. So critters usually lose hair and fur all the time, a little bit, so we don't worry about that too much. This, however, if you're barely running your hand across it and it's coming out, you know, like this, that's probably not going to stand up in the tanning process, but we'll probably do another video and see how that turns out. Otherwise, that concludes the unboxing for now. I'd say shipping wise, they're still cold. They were frozen when they were shipped, so, and it's cool outside. So shipping wise, no problem with the carrier or anything like that. But thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.